I tried all of these drawer liners so that you don't have to. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for every single one of these rolls. We just completed our kitchen renovation, and after we dropped thousands of dollars on our new cabinets, I knew I wanted the best liner that would protect our cabinets, feel high quality, and look aesthetically pleasing. Starting off with number 1 is the Gorilla Grip Drawer and Shelf Liner in the color beige. I like the color of this liner, but I don't know that I love that it was an open grid, both from the way it looked and just the fact that water can penetrate it. Here's an up-close look. I'll give this a 7 out of 10. Number 2 is the Contact brand Excel Grip in the color white. This one was very similar to the first one in that it's an open grid, so that was dings for that, but it was white, and I wasn't sure about the color. I was debating between the two. I will say it was a little bit thicker and maybe a little bit more high quality than the last one, so I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. Number 3 is the Contact brand Grip Prints. So we're going away from the grid and moving into full liners. This one was okay in my mind. I did like that it had a print, but I wasn't sure about having fully white drawers. That was purely personal preference. We had a lot of other white with the backslash and the countertops. But the other thing is that it was very, very thin and it didn't feel very high quality to me. So I'm giving this a 6 out of 10. Number 4 is the Contact brand Grip Print Premium. So essentially the same thing as the last one, but a slightly higher quality. So again, fully white drawers, that's something I have to take into account, but I do like this pattern. It's almost kind of like a houndstooth maybe, and it was slightly thicker, so I will give it points for that, along with the fact that I won't have to worry about water leakage into the drawers with it being fully covered. I just wasn't sure about the look, so 8 out of 10. And the last liner I tried was the Contact brand Zip and Fit, and you guys, this one did it for me. It has these perforated grid, so you don't even need a pair of scissors to cut them. Look at how this looks, and you can see it almost has this like leathery sheen to it. It was super thick, very cushiony. I was immediately blown away by this one. Thumbs up in my book. Needless to say, this was the winner, 10 out of 10. I highly recommend this to anyone. So here I am now actually sizing a liner to the drawer. You pick which grid you want to go with, and then you just literally rip it, and it is the easiest thing to do. If you like this video, follow for part 2 where I show you how I organize this drawer. And if you want to try this product for yourself, it is linked in my Amazon storefront under Home Organization.